finished having a lunch, and then after I just fly my drone. And the problem was, like, since there's no signal here, and then good reception for the phone, and then I fly the drone, the wind was so high, so it flew away, and then the wind was keep pushing it far. So I was trying to bring it back, but the wind was not allowing the drone to come back. So it was coming back in a very slow speed. So luckily, I thought for a second that we will lose the drone, but we did not. And I was lucky, so I got it back. I put it in auto turn back home, so it came back, and we got it. So now we are heading to the Sulfur dipping pool, which is like across the street in the other side, as you can see. And then we were gonna use that Sulfur dipping pool. It's hot, so I want massage, and then we will see how long we can resist in that hot sulfur pool.